In contrast to trait factor theories that are static and emphasize here and now matching of individuals to work environments, developmental theories of career counseling consider the whole person over time. Through these theories, career counselors explore how early experiences affect the development of an individual's career preferences and choices, as well as how people develop within their careers over the course of a lifetime. Details about Super's lifespan life-space theory and Gottfredson's theory of circumscription and self-creation can be found on other parts of our wiki. This video will focus on the ideas of Ann Rowe and Arthur Chickering, both of whom contributed to our understanding of how experiences at various life stages impact career development. Ann Rowe was a clinical psychologist whose experiences as a member of a large family shaped her view of career development. As the second of four siblings, Rowe had several household responsibilities as a child. This experience, combined with her clinical training, shaped her belief that occupational choices are influenced by an individual's need structure, early childhood experiences, and parent-child relationships. Rooted heavily in Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Rowe's theory posits that parent-child relationships affect an individual's need structure, which in turn determines the direction of occupational interests. According to this theory, warm and accepting parental interactions produce adults who pursue person-oriented careers, such as counselors, teachers, chefs, barbers, and business executives. In contrast, cold and rejecting parental interactions produce adults with career interests that are non-person oriented, such as careers in agriculture, engineering, construction, and scientific research. In addition to these ideas, Ann Rowe developed a two-way classification system for occupations, which included 8 occupational groups and 6 occupational levels. The 8 groups represent different types of work that individuals can do, and the levels reflect the level of education, skill, and training required for various jobs. The groups and levels create a sort of matrix which combines to describe a particular job. For instance, professional counseling would be categorized as a service occupation given that it is concerned with the welfare of others and meeting their needs. Yet it differs from other service occupations in terms of the level of training and personal responsibility required to become a counselor. Hence, it is a professional service rather than semi-skilled or unskilled service. Rowe's theory of career development has by no means dominated the field of career counseling. However, her ideas concerning family dynamics and their impact on career interests have informed other theories of career counseling. Her incorporation of Maslow's hierarchy of needs serves as a reminder of how life experiences shape values, interests, and potential job satisfaction. Unfortunately, her theory has little empirical validation, which limits its applicability. Additionally, it is hampered by cultural bias, especially in terms of gender role expectations. Like Rowe, Arthur Chickering has contributed ideas regarding development that influence our understanding of career choice. However, his ideas focus primarily on college student development. Chickering's 7 vectors of student development outline domains of development experienced by students during their college years. Development in these areas results from intrapersonal and interpersonal challenges inherent in the college experience. These vectors are not so much stages of development as they are domains, which means that development occurs in each area at varying rates and times. According to Chickering, during their college experience, students develop in terms of cognitive, physical, and interpersonal competence. They gain knowledge, but also learn to think in more complex ways, just as they learn to interact with others in more dynamic ways. Additionally, college students learn to manage emotions by growing in their ability to acknowledge a range of emotions and appropriately express them. This task may be challenging to students who come from families and communities where emotions are restricted or expressed in ways that damage relationships. Although the college experience is often associated with freedom and independence, Chickering believes that college students move through autonomy toward interdependence, as they think critically about their role within a larger context. They also develop mature relationships with others that require tolerance and intimacy and emphasize their interdependence. In terms of the whole person, students establish their identity, develop a purpose, and develop a sense of integrity. In other words, they solidify an understanding of who they are and who they are meant to be occupationally and personally. Most importantly, in the various aspects of their lives, there is an alignment among their values, beliefs, and behaviors. Ann Rowe and Arthur Chickering have both contributed interesting ideas to the field of career counseling. Although neither has a comprehensive career counseling approach that has dominated the field, they have introduced key concepts that can help with career counseling case conceptualization and practice. So here are some questions for you. How might Ann Rowe's framework be applicable with the population you hope to serve? And what is the applicability of Chickering's vectors of development to your work as a counselor? Some food for thought.